Hey everyone! In this 2026 guide, I'm going to show you how to open Zoho Books on your browser and get into your account really quickly. So, first, open any browser you use. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, anything. In the address bar, type zoho.com/books and hit enter. That'll take you straight to the Zoho Books homepage. Now, at the top right, you'll see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click that. It'll open the Zoho login page. Here, just enter your email address, your password, and sign in. Yeah, super simple. If you already use other Zoho apps like Zoho Mail or CRM, you might get logged in automatically. Once you're in, Zoho Books will open your main dashboard, where you can see invoices, expenses, customers, all your numbers in one place. You can also open Zoho Books through the main Zoho site. Just go to zoho.com, sign in, and then click the Zoho Books icon from the app launcher grid. It loads the same dashboard, so use whichever path is easier for you. And if you're on mobile, just search for Zoho Books app in the App Store or Play Store, download it, sign in, and you're good to go. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do to open Zoho Books and get into your account anytime you need. Oh, and thanks for watching. And feel free to like and subscribe if you found it helpful.